Dear Reuse partners, welcome to the B2GreenHub platform. We are pleased to finally invite you to register on B2GreenHub, our collaborative platform designed to connect reuse partners with sustainable opportunities, resources, and solutions. This guide will walk you through the basic steps to create your business expert profile. The guide includes an example based on Amelia Taylor, a business expert in business planning, strategy, and international market expansion, to help you structure your profile effectively and align it with what manufacturers are looking for on the B2GreenHub platform. Create a high-impact profile that connects you with manufacturers seeking your business expertise. To create a strong and complete B2GreenHub expert profile, make sure you have the following prepared. A professional profile picture recommended. Square, min 400 by 400 px. A list of services and trainings you are actively offering. Academic publications, patents, and relevant certifications. Links to your professional profiles, e.g. LinkedIn, ResearchGate, personal website. Step 1. Register and create your account. Begin by entering your first name, last name, and email address. Then, create a secure password and confirm it. Before proceeding, make sure to accept the privacy policy and terms and conditions. Once all fields are completed, click Next Step to create your account. Hint: the created account will have editing rights for all submitted contents and profiles. See following steps. All future communication, including approval status and profile updates, will be sent to the email address registered with this account. Step 2. Select your profile type. After registering, choose the business expert profile type. Hint: multiple areas of expertise. Keep in mind that the main account created in Step 1 will have editing rights for all profiles and receive all future communication related to the profiles you create. Step 3. Enter general information. In this step, you'll provide the key information about your expert profile. This includes your organization or affiliation and your contact details. All fields are mandatory except for phone number, website links, and title, which are optional. Hint: licenses and certification. Add relevant licenses and certifications by entering the name, issuing institution, and year. If it's non-applicable, simply add N/A and continue. Hint: profile picture. Upload a clear, professional profile picture to increase visibility and credibility. Recommended format: square, min 400 by 400 px. Please ensure you have the right to use the image, no copyrighted photos without permission. Step 4. Define your business technical expertise. In this step, you'll select your business technical expertise. You'll be presented with a checklist relevant to your expert type, whether green, digital, or business. You can choose more than one area, depending on your scope of work. Hint: technical expertise. This selection does not reflect your full knowledge or experience, but only the areas where you are currently providing services or trainings, what you are ready to deliver to clients now. In the following steps, when adding services and trainings, you will be asked to select an expertise area based on your choices in Step 4. Step 5. Describe your services. In this step, you'll define the specific services you offer within each technical area selected earlier. For each service, you'll choose the relevant expertise area, provide a title, briefly describe what's included, and indicate which operational process areas it supports. This helps manufacturers understand the practical value of your offering. Hint: adding services. To describe services, click on Add Additional Service and repeat the process for each, following the same structure. Practical example: describe your services. Each technical area should be represented by at least one detailed service. Amelia submitted one service for business competences for startup companies and one service for business competences for growing companies. Craft descriptive, engaging, and outcome-oriented service/training titles. These are your public-facing headlines and should clearly communicate what you offer. Clearly describe what the service includes by outlining key components such as tools, technologies, process steps, and the intended outcomes. Think from the manufacturer's perspective. Frame the content in a way that speaks directly to the issues they want solved, not just the service you're providing. Step 6. Describe your trainings. In this step, you'll provide details about the trainings you offer within the technical areas selected earlier. For each training, you'll select the relevant area, add a training title, outline its objectives, define the target audience, e.g. SMEs, construction companies, production managers, and specify the typical duration. Practical example: describe your trainings. Each technical area should be represented by at least one training. Craft descriptive, engaging, and outcome-oriented service/training titles. These are your public-facing headlines and should clearly communicate what you offer. Step 7. Adding academic references. In this step, you can demonstrate your academic credibility by listing publications, patents, or validated technical skills that are directly related to the specific technical areas you selected earlier. General academic experience is not required here. Focus only on references that support your current service or training offer in the specific areas. Hint: non-applicable sections. If you don't have a patent or reference in a particular area, simply write "not applicable" in that section to indicate that your expertise is demonstrated through other forms. Avoid listing general academic achievements unless they directly strengthen your offered services. Patents must relate to technologies or methods you apply in your services. Include non-patented technologies or solutions you've developed that could bring value to manufacturers, e.g. toolkits, dashboards, integration methods. Focus on skills that are applied in practice, not just theoretical. Step 8. Adding industry references. This step highlights your practical experience by listing companies or organizations you've worked with. Avoid generic partnerships or unrelated projects. Only include industry references that demonstrate your applied expertise in the selected fields. Make sure each reference directly connects to a service or training you've listed. Focus on one real, impactful project per technical area. Use numbers wherever possible. Manufacturers appreciate clear ROI, e.g. % waste reduction, efficiency gain. Step 9. Profile review and confirmation. Once you submit your profile, a confirmation message will appear. Your submission will then be reviewed by the B2GreenHub team to ensure completeness and alignment with the platform's criteria, and you'll be notified once it has been approved and published. You will receive 2 emails, one confirming your registration and another once your profile is reviewed and approved. If you are active in more than one domain, you will have the option to add additional profiles to your account. These will all be tied to the email address registered in Step 1.